We're going to talk about the if conditions in a Python. So, what is the if? If condition is like do something coding only if conditions is a true, else do something else. We can say. Let's learn with the example. Consider we are taking the one variable experience experience as the input variable. We are taking like please enter how many years of experience you have. Okay, please enter how many years of experience you have. Okay, basically when we use the input user as a input users, that is the basically provide into a string. So first we need to convert that input variable into string to integers. For that we are going to use that type function. Which type functions we are going to use? That is the int type functions we are using. Okay, now we will perform that if conditioning statement into the experience. For example, if conditions, now that variable will copy and paste experience which is greater than equal to 6, then you can print like you are eligible to give an interview. Okay, consider if this condition is not true, if these conditions means like if the experience value which is, let's plus read, we can say execute this example. Okay, greater than equal to should be like that way. We need a space, not space, I can say if conditions, after that we need a semicolons. We will learn one by one. So please enter how many years of experience you have. So how many years of experience you have? If I enter the 6, okay, you are eligible to the interview. If I have enters like I have 5 years of experience, okay, then we are not getting anything because if condition is not satisfying. If the if condition is not satisfying, then we need to write the else block to check else. To check, we can say that specific condition is not satisfied, then else do something else. So we are doing the something else. So please apply for other category. Okay, that's the thing. Let's run the program once again. So how many experience I have? 5. Okay, so please apply for another category because experience which is the less than 5, we don't have the experience greater than 5. If condition will not satisfy, instead of the else condition will satisfy, and will give the categories like the please apply for a other category. Consider if someone has less than 1 years of experience, then he should be apply for fresher category. So if you want to add any other statement like if condition, like the other statement in between the if and the else, you can use else if, like else if statement. Else if the experience, next we will copy paste that variable, with the experience which is less than equal to 1, that means he is the pressure freshers, then we will write the block. Okay, pl please pl e please apply in fresher category. So let's run the program with this. So currently I have 1 years of experience. So please apply in a fresher category. So basically if conditions is do something coding, if condition is basically used for do something coding only if the some condition is the true, if some condition is the true, if not then else block will print. It's like the decision making.